India's services sector contributes more than 50% of the country's GDP, and as countries begin WTO negotiations in Hong Kong, India will be looking at getting more concessions on outsourcing from the West. Our correspondent Arijit Sen reports.
When you sleep, he's working away at his computer in the outskirts of Delhi, answering long-distance calls from customers from another continent. Meet Siddharth Shorain, a business process outsourcing professional who has said that his BPO avatar is one of the many hundreds of India's young workforce contributing to the growing services sector of the country.
Behind me is the back office of an American electronic consumer store. There are about 2,000 employees working on business processes outsourced from the US. But there are no guarantees that this BPO industry will continue. And so developing countries like India want a legal sanction to the BPO concept. And this will be a key point of debate in the WTO Hong Kong meeting.
Professional services, contractual services, all must have access. And they cannot create these protective regimes so that our services sector, our skilled services sector cannot grow.
Apart from protecting existing BPOs, India wants developed countries to add more value to outsourcing by moving from business processes to knowledge processes and set up research and development hubs here.
It is an area in which we have interest. We have made our revised offers in the WTO. We are waiting for responses from most of the developed countries, which we feel have not been sufficient, and India would be prepared to respond further.
And then there is the issue of making it easier for Indian professionals to travel to the Western countries on work. For this, India is stocking off a special visa.
These are very limited GATS visas for 3 months, 6 months to fulfill a contract.
Services is a crucial sector for India, and Kamal Nath will have to drive a hard bargain when trade ministers negotiate in the Hong Kong ministerial, because boosting India's services sector would be a surefire way of pushing India's economic growth chart and empowering more Siddharths in the country. In New Delhi, Arijit Sen.